Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do a faux bob, a fox bob, a FAUX bob. Why is it spelled like that? I'm thinking about it looked like she disappeared into the wall. Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Unless you're new here, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Lyss. If you would like to become a part of our internet family, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I would love to have you here. And I know everyone else would love to have you here as well. I'm eating my hair. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell below to be notified every time I post. For today's video, I'm showing you how to do a faux bob, a fox bob, a FAUX bob. But if you're someone like me and you have longer hair, ooh, we're gonna do it not long. I'm going to show you guys how to do it if you have longer hair and you want to faux a bob. So I was looking up new hair tutorials to do and I came across different techniques and styles on how to do a faux bob. So I was like, I want to try that. I've never tried it, so this will be my first time trying it and hopefully it works. We're going to start off with a curling iron. This is just the HSI one. I use this in almost all my hair tutorials, or if my hair is curled, this is what I use. Not sponsored. This is just the one that I have. I think this is like an half incher and half incher and Hathaway incher. Now we wait for this to heat up. Cool beans. So like, what's happening in your neck of the woods? What's going on? Make sure your hair is prepped and ready to go. I'm just using my Dove Heat Protectant Spray. This is what I have right now. Oh, I sprayed it all over my body. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it smells so good. So, heat protectant spray. You guys, this is my biggest habit, is like forgetting to use it. I'm gonna go through and brush my hair, which is also a habit I don't usually have. I like never brush my hair anymore. I don't know why. Also, you guys, I did burn my scalp in the sun the other day. So, if you see it peeling, that's gross and I'm sorry, but it's not dandruff. It's the fact that I literally burnt my scalp in the sun. I live in the desert, like, I'm sorry. I can't wait to get my hair done. I say it in every video. Wow, it's gonna be so good. What we're gonna do is part our hair. So we're gonna go about, I think it's about here. So you're gonna have all this underneath right here. We're gonna braid that and pin it up. That's what I saw in like every faux bob thing online. So I was like, cool, great. I'm gonna do that. I don't know what I'm doing and I just wanted to learn how, So a few of the tutorials I saw were able to like braid it directly against the scalp. I don't know how to do that. Sorry, that's just real. So I'm just gonna make a really tight, small rat tail braid. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna tie it up really tight so that way it's, you know, stuck together. My dog eating a bone in the background. I mean, you need to see that in every hair tutorial, right? That is like important. Oh, this is taking me a long time. Any day now. Any day now. We got there. We did it, didn't we? We sure did. Okay, so now we're gonna tie that off and we're gonna like wrap it and pin it. You guys, this is my first time doing it. We're doing it together, so who knows if I'm doing it correctly, but who cares? I think I'm just gonna like, you wanna make it as flat as you possibly can. So I'm just gonna take some bobby pins and just pin it down like that. Doesn't matter what it looks like because it's underneath. So, how am I looking? Great. Oh, the neck roll. That's cute. Ow, you just bit my toe. Whatever, this will hide in at some point, so it's fine. Okay, great. So now for the rest of this hair, woohoo! Okay, so now for the rest of this hair, hello, we're going to curl it. So I'm gonna pin off the top half of it now. Twisty twist, yeah. Go like this, curl it. If you guys end up liking this tutorial, if it turns out, because I mean, I don't know yet, and you want me to learn how to do like a straight haired one, I'd love to do that too. I remember Gigi Hadid wore a straight hair bob to, was it like the AMAs or something? Some like award show, and it was stunning. I think it might have been a wig. I can't remember, but it just looked so gorgeous on her, so I'd like to learn how to do that too, if that's a possible thing to do with just your regular hair. I don't know, you know what, hair is like magical and like tricksterish, and like, I feel like there's so much that you can do with it, and I still am only on the surface level and know only simple styles, so like, who knows? Maybe I could figure it out. Maybe I could figure out how to look bald with all my hair. I also don't know. But, you know, we'll figure out one day, won't we? Oh my gosh, should I do a video on wearing a bald cap? Wow. Okay, I kind of want this to be a little curlier, and it's not as curly as I'm wanting, so just hold on. I'm going to redo that part. I got excited. I went too fast. This would probably look cute too if you did like a smaller wand and held it longer and like did super curly. Adorable. That would be so cute. You guys, I'm not flipping you off. Yeah, I am. Just kidding. I'm not. Also, yeah, my hands are orange, so I've been very pale recently. You know, I just was being lazy about it, but I'm also like, okay, like I live in the desert and the sun is out, and when I'm as pale as I naturally am, I am literally blinding people because when the sun hits my skin, it's like, holy can you wear some pants, girl? Your legs are too bright. You know what I mean? Like, I'm blinding people, so I have to do this for the community. You know, I also just feel more confident with a glow on, but listen, I put 2 different brands of self-tanner on last night, and my feet and hands are orange, but you know, that's also fine, because as it fades, it'll be cute. Right now, it's just a little intense. Please don't judge me. Please still watch my videos and love me. Please, dear God, please. You guys, also, we're almost to 180,000 subscribers, and no! I just pulled this out of my dog's throat. Ew! People lose their hair ties? No. My dog eats mine. She swallowed a sock too, by the way, whatever. Oh, I can't breathe. I was just trying to film a video, then it made me exercise. I was talking about the fact that we're almost to 180,000 subscribers. That is insane. That means we're only 20,000 away from 200,000. And I remember hitting 100,000. Like, this is like, that's double that. Math, you know? Oh, I know why my hair isn't curling so easily, because it's straightened. Okay, I don't know if anybody else's hair is like that, but my hair is like that. So if I have already ran a straightener through my hair like won't fully curl if I go to curl after it's been straightened. It doesn't matter if it's been days gone by, anything like that. It won't fully curl, so I'll get more of a wave, which honestly for this look, it might be. This is the ugliest curl I've ever done in my life. What in the fuck is that? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna work with it. It like won't fully curl. I don't know. My hair's just like, you told me to do this thing, so I did it, and now you're trying to change my mind? No, you said this, so that's what I'm sticking to. So I think I'm gonna have more of a wave for this, which is totally fine. But I think either way, super curly or wavy will be cute. What's wrong with this side? I'm like doing a bad job. I'm sweating too. I'm having a good time. Here's my hair. Now, this looks plain and boring. We're gonna fix it, don't worry. But first, I need a drink. Wow. I'm gonna first go in with some dry shampoo because I need a little bit and I want some volume at my roots. See what the miracle of dry shampoo does? Look at the difference in hair. That is amazing. Yeah, that's cute, Lyss. That's super cute. Alrighty, now I'm gonna take some beach spray and I'm gonna scrunch it in because I wanna give this a little more texture. I'm gonna try to add a little more curl to this quickly. Now, instead of doing this in sections, I'm actually going to grab all of my hair and take it to the bottom there. I'm gonna take it at the ends and I'm gonna tie it off. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it up and try to pin it where my braids are, I guess. I've seen people do this differently, but that's just what I think might work best. So, we're gonna take it here, and I'm gonna pin it here. Let's see if I can do this. Ah! Am I doing it? No, I'm not doing it. Now, any of these leftover hairs too, I'm gonna like pull it up, like this section that's falling down right here. I'm gonna take it under, and I'm gonna pin it up. I do wanna like pull some hair out though. Did I do this? If not, this might turn into a fail video. Okay, I don't think I did this right. This is stupid looking. This was a fail. A big time fail. I don't know what I'm doing. This looks really dumb. I don't love this at all. That's okay, that's okay. It's just a fail video now, it's still a video. This looks like shit. How do people do this? I need to do more research because this is not a bob. This looks like a first grader's haircut. Well, you guys, there you go. This is how not to do a FAUX bob. Oh, and my camera's dying. That's okay. This is fine. I'm a little stressed out. I wanted this to work and it didn't, but that's totally okay. If there's other videos you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. If there's anything you would like me to try, let me know. I've seen people like try to curl their hair with like food. Do you want me to try that with like a banana or something? I don't know where people come up with this shit, but like I'm kind of down for it, you know? Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you know how to actually do this, let me know in the comments below as well. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye guys. This looks like dick, man, you know? Not great.